Think Oracle's Java audits are just routine compliance checks? Think again. Here's how Oracle's Java audit playbook really works, and what you need to watch out for. Step 1. Oracle schedules a friendly call with someone in your IT team. They'll ask what Java versions you're running, under the guise of security or patching. They rarely mention licensing at first. Step 2. Once your team discloses what's installed, the conversation shifts fast to licensing and non-compliance. Step 3. Within days, you receive a massive quote, often millions of dollars. And if you say you've uninstalled Java, Oracle responds with, "You still need to pay for the years you ran it unlicensed." Step 4. If you push back or decline their proposal, Oracle escalates the issue straight to your CFO or CEO. Step 5. Still not willing to negotiate? Oracle brings in their audit or business practices team, often led by someone like Selena Poon. Step 6. If you continue to resist, Oracle's litigation team steps in. At this stage, things get aggressive fast. We've seen it all. We've defended over 100 organizations globally against this exact tactic. And if you want a written guarantee that you won't pay backdated Java fees, contact us.